Brave sons of our land, you were on the wrong side of history, which made you victims of your patriotism, and you suffered torture and death when you risked your life for our sake. Brave sons of our land, you were on the wrong side of history, betrayed by your fellow countrymen and even men of God when you turned to them for encouragement. Brave sons of our land, you were on the wrong side of history, ruminating in solitary confinement and chided because of love for a good future which you were not to see. Brave sons of our land, you were on the wrong side of history. A juxtaposition of pain and bliss filled me, and I can't imagine the bruising dark nights when warless men faced inhumane military invaders. Brave sons of our land, you were on the wrong side of history. They called you maquisards, whereas the real maquisards and terrorists were those intruders. Brave sons, you are brave compatriots. Your spirits live on when you fought to preserve our milk and honey and make us live in peace on this our fatherland, the best place on earth.